If you have peripheral neuropathy, that feeling of unsteadiness, especially when you turn or walk on uneven ground, can be really unsettling. You might feel like there's nothing you can do about it, but that isn't true. Even when nerve damage doesn't fully reverse, you can retrain your body to be more steady again. Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and today I'm going to show you simple exercises you can do at home to begin building steadier balance today. We want to bring our feet so that we have one foot directly in front of the other. We'll hold this tandem stance position for 20 to 30 seconds. If this is too hard, you can start with your feet offset instead of directly in front. When you feel steady, lightly hover your hands instead of holding on. This challenges your balance in a safe way. If you find that you need even more challenge, you can try crossing your arms. But since we aren't always just standing still, let's try some more dynamic balance by adding a movement you may not even realize is a problem for you, and that is head turns. We'll return to the position where our feet are about 6 inches apart. Now slowly turn your head from side to side while you try to stay steady. If you happen to be wearing bifocal glasses like I am, you'll want to be sure to stay in your distance lens when you do this and the next exercise. Switching lenses can throw you off balance because it interferes with your depth perception. Only turn your head about halfway to the side or less, and don't try to look over your shoulder for this one. You want to do about 10 turns in each direction as you're doing these. Take your time and try to let go of the surface when you feel ready. Next, we can try looking up and looking down. With this, we want to keep our chin slightly tucked so that we don't go into a forward head posture. You only need to lift your chin up and down a few inches for this exercise to be effective. If you find this exercise is too easy, one way to make it more challenging is to bring your feet together and cross your arms. That way, you're reducing the input from the floor and really challenging your vestibular system. These don't have to be big movements, but they do need to be consistent. That's how you start retraining your balance and feeling steadier when you walk. But here's the part a lot of people don't realize. There are few common mistakes I see all the time that can actually make your neuropathy worse, even if you're trying to do all the right things. If you're dealing with numbness, balance problems, or feel like things are getting worse, you need to watch this next video. I'll show you exactly what to avoid so you don't undo the progress you're trying to make. Click here to watch it now.